So now let's going to perform the COC2. Set up computer networks. It includes apply ad hoc, apply P2P, terminating of cable. Now let's going to perform apply ad hoc. First, search CMD, then right click run as administrator, click yes, then type niche WLAN set hosted network space mode equals allow is ID equals alferez. Dayon key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then click enter. Then next type niche WLAN start hosted network. And that's all for the applying ad hoc. Now let's going to connect to the Wi-Fi which is named Alferez. Then the password 1234567 8. Now let's going to perform the P2P connection. First, search control panel, network sharing center, then adapter settings, right click Ethernet, properties, highlight IPv4, properties, obtain, then use the following IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. Click submit mask, then click default gateway 192.168.0.2. Click OK, close, and then ECAS. Search CMD, type ipconfig, then ping 192.168.0.2, and then sa other laptop same procedure. Search control panel, open network and Ethernet, network and sharing center, change adapter setting, Ethernet right click, properties, highlight IPv4, properties, use the following IP address 192.168.0.2, default gateway 192.168 192.168.168.0.1. Okay, then click close. Go to the Windows Defender Firewall. Let's go to the CMD ipconfig, then ping 192.168.0.1 /t/t. Enter. So as you can see, the both laptop pinging. So go to the firewall. Firewall. Check firewall status, open, then turn on, turn off, turn off. Go to the control panel, network and Ethernet, network and sharing center, change adapter, then on, accept the password. Same to the second laptop, control panel, network and Ethernet, network and sharing center, change advanced seat, then on, accept the password. So now let's create a folder. Click folder, then properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permission, add, EVA, check names, full control, apply, okay, apply, okay. Go to the security, edit, add, EVA, check names, okay. Uncheck, check all, then apply, okay. Close. Same to the second laptop. Create folder, right click, new folder, then name your folder. Properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permission, add EVA, check names, okay. Then full control, check, apply, okay. Apply, okay. Then go to the security, edit, add, EVA, check names, then okay, then check all, apply, okay. So let's go to the next laptop, which is the laptop 1. So as you can see, na ang atong